Good day everyone! We are here to report Chapter 5, Process Approach. The process model contains three clearly distinguishable elements, such as inputs of the process, outputs of the process, and the process or task. Inputs of the process refers to the thing that triggers the process, while outputs of the process refers to the result of the product or service produced by the process. TX model stands for entry, task, and exit, wherein task refers to the value-adding process. Entry are the conditions to be satisfied before the task is undertaken, and exit are the conditions to be fulfilled before the task is considered as completed.
Sugura 6S model for process improvement is a model for modern process improvement. This can be applied in every organization. The first S is study. The current performance level of the process triggers improvement. Therefore, it is important to study the process and document the details as necessary. Second S is streamline. It means that the process should offer the least resistance to motion in the organization. Quite often, the processes cause delay or hassle, leading to problems either to customer or to employees. Therefore, it is important to first document the current sequence of events and then eliminate unnecessary or non-value adding processes.
Third is simplify. Simplifying procedure improves quality. One has to formulate a simplified procedure for carrying out the task without increasing the cost and compromising the quality. Fourth is standardize. Standardization essentially permits performing the process in the same way by every employee at all times. Therefore, it requires a documented procedure.
The fifth S is synergize. No process is a standalone activity in any organization. A process may interact with at least two processes, customer and supplier processes. Therefore, it is important that the effect of revision on the processes are being checked. And the sixth S is strengthen. During this phase, a number of activities are carried out such as educating and convincing the process owners, customers, and suppliers, periodic counseling, and assuring that the new process will perform better than the old process, and monitoring the results and confirming that the process transition has occurred. Employees are confident that the process is processed as documented.
Now, let's move to SCM. Supply chain management refers to a task of optimizing all activities throughout the supply chain so that the products and services are supplied in the right quantity, right quality, at the right time, and optimal cost. It involves the following activities. First is demand planning. It involves the accurate forecast of demand of product and services to improve customer service while decreasing costs by reducing demand uncertainty. Second is manufacturing, planning, and scheduling. It is a planning process that optimally schedules manufacturing orders with production capacity.
Third, supply planning. To meet customer demand based on available inventory and transportation resources. Also include distribution requirements planning, determining the needs to replenish the inventory. Fourth, transportation planning. To optimally schedule, load, and deliver shipments to customer while considering delivery date, mode of transportation, carrier, and etc.
Kanban systems. What is Kanban? Kanban stands for Kan, which means card, and Ban, signal. It is a card containing all the information required for the jobs to be carried out on a product at each stage, along its path to completion and which parts are needed at subsequent process. The Kanban system was developed by Mr. Taiichi Ono, the Vice President of Toyota. Kanban system allows a company to use just-in-time production and ordering system that allows minimizing inventories while satisfying customer demand.
There are two most common types of Kanbans used. Withdrawal Kanban, which main function is to pass the authorization for the movements of parts from one stage to another. The withdrawal Kanban layout can be designed in many ways in order to display this information. Another is production Kanban, which main function is to release an order to the preceding stage to build the lot size indicated on the card.
Cellular manufacturing is a manufacturing process that produces families of parts within a single line of cells of machines operated by machinists who work only within the line or cell. A cell is a small-scale, clearly defined production unit within a larger factory. A work cell is a work unit larger than an individual machine or workstation but smaller than the usual departments and assembly lines. Cellular manufacturing and work cell are heart of lean manufacturing. Lean manufacturing refers to an application of more efficient methods and greatly minimize delays, reduce costs, and improve quality.
Flow manufacturing versus batch production. Cellular manufacturing demands single-piece flow methodology. Single-piece flow, or also called as one-piece flow or continuous flow manufacturing, refers to a technique used to manufacture components in a cellular environment. The opposite of one-piece flow is large production or batch production. Although many companies produce goods in large lot or batches, it builds delay into the process. Large lot production can lower companies' profitability in several ways, while one-piece flow of production helps in solving these problems.